BRDS jumped almost 46% in our live streaming. We did pre-market update for PRDS when we said this before the market opened. The price now have to hold when the market open over the 2078. No. Yes, so the support is the 27.8 where we reversed at, and the profit taken we said around the 29.36. So the price went down after the pre-market was around the 26. Price went until the 2078, our bottom. We reversed, the price went up, we entered around the 22 cents, and then the price actually went higher after that and hit our profit taken around the 26.90, the first one. Then we got near now the 29.84, which is our ultimate profit taken. We're going to discuss where the price will go after that for BRDS and where the potential squeeze for today market. Next up, we got VKTX jumping 3%. And now still holding the $15. There's a potential squeeze around the 16.40. Oscar is still holding our support, the $5.80. There's a potential squeeze as well. FRC is doing all right because we still holding the 13.66. Baba is still doing all right because we got news regarding the split. That's why the price actually holding over the 96 and went until almost the $100. Neo doing all right. There's a potential pump for Neo and breaking the $9.69 for today, have potential to another pump toward the $10 price action for today. That's why we have to watch out Neo. There's a special offer, 17 free stocks with my special link in comment section below, and those stocks that you can win is DKNG, Tesla, Amazon, and AMC, of course. And how you can win those free stocks? You can just open an account and get one free stocks, but if you deposit $100 you have the chance to win 7 free stocks in total. And of course this offer ends at the end of March. So let's discuss first BRDS because the price is still jumping after we bounce from this level of support. Already discussed BRDS yesterday when we did the chart analysis update after our live streaming, which we do daily on our Hunter channel, when we said the breakout zone should be around the 2078 and the profit taken 24 and the 29. That's why the price went first around this level of profit. We went until the 24, 26, where we took our profit in our live streaming, and now jumping toward the 29.84. The 29.84 is the resistance and profit taking. After we clear this level, we're going to have a huge potential pump once again for BRDS because the last coming days we pumped from this area. See with me, we have this huge gap around 1380 and we jumped 50%. This jump happened around the 27th of March, and then another gap happened around the 29th of March when we jumped almost 23 or 28%, and yesterday 47%. So there's a potential jump once again for BRDS. If we don't overcome this level of resistance by today, we might see a pre-market gap for BRDS. So we're going to do a short analysis update and pre-market update for BRDS once we break the 29.84 to discuss the ultimate profit taken and the next support for BRDS. VKTX is still holding the 15.28. We did a great trade yesterday for VKTX because we pumped from this triangle and we held the 12.14 cents. We discussed this stock as well in our pre-market update and we said the 12.14 should be our support. We did double bottom and price pumped, and today it's still pumping 3%. There's a potential breakout around the 16.40. The 15.28 should be our support for today, and breakout zone and resistance is the 16.40. So if we broke this level, we're gonna have the 18.12 for VKTX. Next up on our list, we got Oscar Health. So this one is still have potential to jump, but we have indecision for Oscar because we don't have enough volatility when the market open. We were just 3 million worth of volume, now almost 12, so the volume is picking up. The support for today is around the $5.81. We need to hold this current support to confirm a strength for the chart for Oscar to break this level of resistance first, around the $6.37. because if we got rejected here, there's a potential break for the $5.80 and going for this dip around the $5.15. That's why I already put alert around the $6.37 and the $5.81. So after we clear the $6.37, we're gonna go toward the $6.86, which is a profit taken and as well a squeeze area for Oscar. FRC, First Republic Bank, is still holding a new support over the $13. So now this is a critical area for FRC. You know why? Because if we hold the 1366, we confirm that we started to do higher lows for FRC and the price will continue to go higher. Next time we break the 1493 and seeing the $15, we're gonna have a pump toward the 1582 and the 1675. So watch out for this potential pump after we clear this resistance. Around this range, the 1444 and the 1490 should be an important level to break. Next up, we got BABA. We got great news regarding the split, and that's why the price held today over the 96 support. And there's a potential overcoming the 101. We saw the 100, but the price went down below the 100. So the 100 is psychological level for BABA to have a potential squeeze and going toward the 106. The current support is still around the 96. Finally, we got NEO. The price finally have jumped from the $6.96, which is our resistance. The support is around the $9.28. And the profit taken for NEO in coming days and maybe even today is around the $10.56. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Another 6%. Now it's 7%. That's why we have to watch out for this support and continuation to do higher lows. Of course, we're going to do update for NEO and the other stock on our list. We're going to do live streaming to discuss the stock that have potential to squeeze like FRC, BRDS, VKTX, and Oscar, of course. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.